Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 136 3rd Avenue, Unit 3R, here in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a 3rd floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, completely renovated from top to bottom, including new floors, new paint, new appliances, much more. So we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the centralized kitchen area. Kitchen houses your main entryway to the unit, leads to the bathroom, one of the bedrooms, and the living room. You have a gorgeous new vinyl wood flooring in this kitchen, continues into the bathroom as well. Wide open windows, lots of sunshine coming into this kitchen. Of course, a fresh paint job through and through. Along with that, kitchen houses brand new cabinetry, brand new countertop, and brand new tile backsplash. This kitchen offers plenty of room for a small to medium sized dining set. And of course, the new appliances include the dual bin, stainless steel sink, the 4-burner gas stove and oven, and the new refrigerator. Awesome, so that's essentially your kitchen space. Next, let's check out the living room. So, living room houses a repolished hardwood flooring. This is the same flooring you'll see in both bedrooms. Gorgeous fresh paint once again. This living room also houses an additional closet for some extra storage. And this cozy living room houses plenty of opportunity for all kinds of furniture setups. Got a good amount of outlets in here as well for electronics, entertainment system, TV, what have you. So a pretty good sizable living space. Next up is the first of 2 bedrooms. This is the bedroom housed in the living room. Again, gorgeous, shining hardwoods, wide open, bright windows, fresh paint. This bedroom does house its own closet space and is perfectly suited for a standard full Excel bed set. Could swing a queen in here if that's what you're looking for, but I think it's perfectly fittable for a standard full Excel bed set. So that is the first of 2 bedrooms. Next up is the second bedroom. This is the bedroom housed in the kitchen. Again, beautiful hardwoods, fresh paint, wide open window. No closet in this bedroom, but this bedroom I think is better suited for a queen bed set. Again, if that's kind of what you're shooting for, queen bed set is a perfect fit in this bedroom. Awesome. Last but not least is the bathroom. So bathroom has been completely renovated from top to bottom, of course. New flooring, new paint, beautiful tile curtain, new toilet, new sink vanity, new mirror vanity, and re-glazed clawed tub with new shower stall. All hooked up, ready to go. It looks amazing in here. Again, completely renovated. What's there not to love? Awesome. So once again, this is 136 3rd Avenue, Unit 3R here in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we provide on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you.